Kungaloosh, ladies and gentlemen. I am here on the floor of the IAAPA event in Orlando on a very soggy day. Guys, this is where like some of the most cool future theme park and amusement park technology is going to go down. That's snow behind me in Florida. Okay. What else am I going to see here? I have no idea. Not just amusement rides, but also transportation, such as gondolas. Okay, this caught my attention. What do we got here? An immersive box. You wear head sensors and you play by moving around inside. I'm gonna give this a try. I don't know how it's gonna work.
The three walls in front of you are giant touch screens. They're high-tech, super fancy, and surprisingly easy to use. That cool and fashionable visor you're wearing tracks your movement around the game box. Its color corresponds to your color in the game, so make sure you know what color you are and keep it on your head at all times.
Look at your target and move around to aim your particle throwers, and let the proton stream sort out the rest. No, you all recognize this for this flash.
Nope, what's all the negative?
That was interesting. Never had an experience like that before. I think I'll just stick to the PS5. I'll probably give you one guess what this area smells like. Oh my goodness, there's so many inflatables. Check out these neon bumper cars. These are wild. American Ninja Warrior kits.
They ever done Jump-Stone before?
I've done it once in, I think, in Gatlinburg.
Okay, yep. Definitely have sluice down there. So they just put it in the water, back and forth. Ooh, that is pretty right there. The Amazonite. Got some sodalite in there. Couple nice chunks of pyrite. Ooh, one of my favorites, amethyst. Actually, that looks like that's fluorite. That's a nice chunk of fluorite. So that's a pretty good hole right there.
Yeah.
I like that fluorite. That's my favorite right there.
That one's nice.
That's a pretty good bag right there.
I do want to take a moment and say thank you to my Patreon supporters. You guys really help me out a lot. You motivate me to keep creating content, keep it interesting, and I gotta tell you that somewhere down the line, really soon, a lot of exclusive stuff is going to be on that Patreon. So go ahead, check it out. Link below if you want to possibly join the crew. They got everything from thrill rides to blow-up tents to Christmas to what? All right, next stop. Unfortunately, they have a whole outdoor exhibit set up in the parking lot, but the rain looks like it's going to be constant all day today. Oh well, look nice. guys, that's gonna do it for me. I'm walking by the outdoor exhibit and it's still raining. It's gonna rain all day. I burned through 2 batteries worth of footage. So yeah, I've got to sign off and okay, note to self, invest in longer lasting batteries. I went through 2 batteries inside that showroom floor and that camera just drained them both. Guys, again, thanks for joining in. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. A lot of it was self-explanatory. I didn't really have to go into a lot of detail of stuff. So, until then, take care of yourselves. Take care of everyone else. Take care of those you love. I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm tired. Good night, folks. Thanks for watching.